Today, guys, I decided to show you, I said I didn't have very much to work with. Um, these are some colors that I have. I'm sorry if I'm really shaky, but I am trying to get it recorded. Um, let's see, can I get a ruler and let you know what's what? Okay, I have my ruler. So here, okay, here are just paints that I've either made or have some just sitting in the bottles. Here is the Arteza products, there and there. These are from Teca Roots Pigments. Well, this is from Teca Roots Pigments. These and this set here. Okay. This set is soap dyes, all of my soap dyes on this line, and all of them are here. This small section here, this is from my May Springs collection. Further down we have my ink dyes, which is on this line and these two lines. Okay, these are from Let's Risen. These are from Picasso, I think that's the way you pronounce it. And I have some here that I custom made myself. Okay. This is some of my glitters. Random colors. These are some, they're like fabric dyes, but what I use the fabric dyes for is to color my stones. This is a Pearl X. Here is some extra mica powder, which I have, let's see, over here. Some extra mica powders here, and some extra glitter and mica powders there. Those up there are some more just acrylic paints with the pearls and the fluorescent colors. These are some more paints that I made. These are some just cheap ones I bought from Family Dollar, I think, which they're pretty good too. These are my flash dry colors, and I have a little bit of Waverly Way over there. Some more Arteza paints. Most of these are apple barrel or folk art or deco art. Those are like my effects, like with the shimmer and stuff like that, and color shifting paints. But that's my collection, that I have with that. This is going to be a little bit messy now, but I have some acrylic paint pens. In the back you'll see some just regular random pens. This is some stuff that I've made. Just making stuff just to see how it'll come out. Those are some flowers that I use for like pyramids or things like that. Hey guys, look at that sign. Keep it simple. Imagine that. And I have this that I made, this geode that I made. It was the first one that I made. It actually looks pretty good. There's always room for growth. I'm telling you, room for growth. Here I have like different stones, shells, um, the multicolored stones are some that I've dyed myself. Um, these are my foils, copper, silver, gold. Some more little gems. Lots of paint. And this stuff is for my Cricut and sewing, all of that type stuff. And moving fast, right along to, let's go here. As you know, my channel is MonogrammingPlus, so I do a lot of sewing. These are some of my color threads. All of these are embroidery threads. All of those different type of embroidery threads. Now those are just regular sewing threads. Here is my bobbins. The bottom, sorry, I got cut off for some reason. The bottom threads are for embroidery. The top ones are just general sewing. Of course, needles, rubber bands, anything that I may need. Tapes. Up here, I have my transfer tape. This top stuff here, that's a stabilizer for like when I monogram towels and stuff like that. Those are my embroidery hoops. Up there is just some extra paint. Here is what I do decals. All of this is what I do decals with. You see the ribbons in the background. One time I was thinking about doing the like wreaths hanging on the doors and stuff like that. This thing here, this goes to my sewing machine. There's another part to it from when I do general sewing. This right here is HTV, heat transfer vinyl. That's what that is. This stuff is like just random stuff that I may need for whatever reason. And let's see, down to here, this is my embroidery machine, which I'll be showing you guys, you know, pretty much what I do, how I do it, all of that kind of stuff. Of course, it's a little messy. That's fine. I'll have a cleanup day or something that I will take you all with me. This is my computer that I work from. And let's see. This is like, let's see, can I get over here? Like extra vinyl that I need, like scrap pieces. Just any kind of general thing that I need to work with here in my little space. Let's see what else. This is my other side, which my heat press is on. There's a pyramid right there in the background. Right there. That's a shirt I just made for someone. I don't have my walls up yet in here, but guess what? Aim to inspire. I have my television up there. My heat gun, a Wagner heat gun. It's a really nice heat gun. Camera, leveler, another glue gun. I forget what that thing right there is, but it sands down. It's something like a Dremel tool, I think is what it is. Extra lighting, little stuff here. Weight machine, well, weight scale, I'm sorry. This I'm gonna try to use really soon. This is like for wood, so engraving in wood and stuff like that. And of course my little messy little table that I just do everything from. It's messy, it's okay, I don't mind. Everybody has room to grow, not everybody is perfect. um, this is what this video is for and about, you know. um, just showing you that I'm a normal person with normal things, and you know, hey, it is what it is. um, let's see what else I can show you guys. uh, let's go here for a second. Now, I've been trying to do little things on canvases. This is resin. It's resin on a artist loft canvas. It's really nice. You can see the shimmer effects in it. It has the gray and pearl white, and I think that's cobalt blue, and I forget what color red this is, but it wasn't a real red, it was something else. But hey, it worked. It worked. That's one. I have this that I done for my daughter. It's also nice. Something different. This is the other one that goes along with it. So I have to do a top coat on that. This is also with resin. Those are the colors that are in her living room. So now this was something I was trying as well. You see that crack? First thing you see. But I haven't done anything with it because it was a practice. I thought about adding my resin on top of it, but you see the different colors that are in it. Just trying to keep turning it so that you can see how those colors are. But it also had nice effects. Turned out okay. I really don't know what I'm gonna do with that just yet. Sorry guys, I had a phone call. And this one, I don't know what I was doing, but I was trying. I really was trying to do something with this. It's nice, and my plan was to cover it, you know, with resin, but I haven't done it yet because I have the polyacrylic up there. I was trying that for a moment, not knowing what I was doing, but it's still nice. And I think that's all I have to show you for now, but yeah, this is my little stash. This is my little happy place. You know, I got to get my walls and all of that stuff up, but it's mine. It is mine, honey, mine. So I'll give you an update on, if you like to see how these were made, you know, so that I can tell about the different colors that I have, how the different colors are. I can do a video for that. That's no problem. And also I made these shelves, and I can show you how to do those as well. Just request it. I have no problem in teaching. But see you guys later. Bye.